I know, can you believe it? We're traveling, woohoo! What are you gonna pack? Okay, they say it's gonna be chilly, but you just never know. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna pack light. And I'll just bring it all. It's all good. Your mama has missed you. Are you ready to go bye-bye? Are you ready to go bye-bye on a trip? And I have to find where I stored my pants. What are these? Would you rather discuss our travel plans on like a Zoom call or something? Yeah, I don't either. I don't either. Hi, travel bag. Welcome back, travel closet. I've missed you so much. I forgot how cute the little travel bottles are. They're so cute. I know, I have to like dig out my suitcase. The themes for the events for 3 nights. Okay, first night is bougie boho business. Extreme, casual, formal, tropical. Low-key, high-end. This is my swimsuit that I wear for pictures, and this is my swimsuit that actually fits, and this is my swim jeans and my swim turtleneck. The key is to roll your clothes. Those hotel ice buckets are never big enough, right? I'm packing. Oh, I need to pack in case we go hiking. Okay, I need boots, sandals. What if we see a duck? I'll get the bread. What? Well, I was gonna start. Alexa, you're going with me.
As long as I can get online, I'm happy to go wherever.
Same, girl, same.